So hi, my name is Cynthia Lee. I'm a current graduate student at California State University Dominguez Hills in the MSQA program with an emphasis in manufacturing, and I'm here at the MSC conference.
My name is Samantha Stone, and I'm from Pennsylvania.
Very good. What part of Pennsylvania?
Chalfont, which is about an hour away from Philly.
Okay, great. And how did you originally find out about the program?
The director of the MSQA program actually sent out an email to all MSQA students, just letting them be aware of the MSC conference opportunity. So I applied and was fortunately selected as a scholarship recipient.
I actually heard about it through California State University, Dominguez Hill. I got an email and it intrigued me, so I looked into it and I applied.
What field do you work in now, and what's your position?
I work in the field of aerospace, and I work in clean room operations and contamination control.
I am a quality engineer.
Very good. Okay, so you were already in the field and you
Yes.
decided you wanted to move up and get your master's.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Have you been able to apply the concept you learned in the classes right away in your work?
Yeah, surely. I think it's been really beneficial. My undergraduate was in a completely different field. It was in biology, so the things I'm learning in MSQA definitely has a lot of applications to real life applications is what I'm trying to say. It's been really helpful.
Yes. So I knew what I had to do, but I didn't know why. So the classes have really done a great job at diving in and teaching me the nitty-gritty of why we do things the way we do them. So it's overall teaches me better so I can understand and apply across the board.
Good.
Yeah.
Anything you want to say to people who are thinking about the program?
It's a great program. I definitely really appreciate their flexibility. It's been really easy to be able to manage, being a graduate student while also working full time.
Very good. And what are you hoping to get out of the quality program?
So what really attracted me into the MSQA program is its flexibility, that it is online, so I'm able to work full time as well as work with my schedule as a student. Through the MSQA program, I've learned a lot about statistical control, process improvements, which have been really beneficial to me in my resume building and my expertise building as well.
Where do you think your career might lead you next once you have the degree?
I would hope to a senior quality engineer position and hopefully eventually a quality manager position. That's the goal.
Very good, and congratulations on your award at the Measurement Science Conference, and best of luck to you.
All right, thank you.
All right. Anything else you'd like to share with us?
Go Toros.